Hello guys, it's your boy Habib Educate. Have you ever woke up one day, all of a sudden, then either your parents, your boyfriend, girlfriend, or someone really close to you just gush out, came to you and started asking you, why did you speak to this person yesterday? Or all of a sudden, who called you yesterday? Yesterday, I heard your call. Yesterday, you were speaking to this. You were speaking to Kojo. You were speaking to Ama. Yesterday, you spoke with Daniel. Am I lying? It was true. You spoke to Daniel. How did he get to know that you spoke to Daniel? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cut off those connections. Okay? There is something he did to your phone. Either your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or your parents did in your phone that whenever you call someone or someone calls you and you are not around, it will automatically redirect the call to their phone. They'll just pick it up and call. So imagine in a situation where there are some people, whenever they call you and you pick up the call, they won't relax to listen to the voice very well, whether it is this same person that I'm calling, because I might be familiar to that person's voice. Okay, I might be familiar to that person's voice, but all of a sudden they are ignorant. They are not able to identify that person's voice to another person's voice. So the moment they call, hello, why did you do this? Why did you go to your boyfriend yesterday? How was your night? Oh, yesterday I really enjoyed. And you really enjoy what? Really? Then by the time you realize, you've shared all your secret to those people, either their parents or the boyfriend or the girlfriend, without even listening whether it is this same person that you are calling. So in this video, this is a short video, we are going to teach you how to block all those connection linking or redirecting your contact or your calls to a different line. So without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome guys. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. Hello, Emily. When was the last time your boyfriend gushed on you and all of a sudden all the calls you had, he listened to it and started telling you what you and your other guy or your ex or your side chick spoke about? Don't worry, I'm just kidding. Okay, so in this video I said I'm going to show you how to cut off those things. So quickly, let's move to our dialer. Okay, yeah, let's move to our dialer. When we move to our dialer, now we are going to dial ##21#. Now this is a USSD code which cut off all the calls which has been forwarded to other lines, okay, other contacts apart from your own. So this is a situation where my younger brother and I, we use different SIMs and we try to connect all this to each other's phone. So whenever I had a call, I don't know whether it's a relative, a loved one, anyone at all, and I'm not around to pick up my phone or to pick up my call, the moment the ringing tone ends on my phone, it will automatically redirect the call to my younger brother's own. Tawfiq. Yeah, am I lying? It will automatically redirect it to Tawfiq's phone. Then he will just pick up a call, then start speaking. Whenever he also, get a call and he is not around to pick it up, after the ringing tone rings, then it will redirect the calls to my phone. I will also pick it up. So this was a situation where our mom, she was trying to hide something, from me. She wanted to tell my younger brother something, and sometimes she wanted to tell me something without my younger brother knowing. Yeah. So whenever she calls him and he is not around, the phone will redirect to me. And whatever she say, she doesn't know the differences between our voice. Our voice looks it looks alike, you understand. Our voice, it almost looks the same. So when sometimes she will even start talking and I will be replying, she won't know. Okay, she won't know. Yeah, she won't know because we call her the same name and other stuff. So that's what we did. Now to cut it off, I told you just go down star sorry, just go and dial #21#, and with that a message will be sent to you where it will be it will tell you the erasure, and it continues where you've blocked that connection. So from that day onwards, your call will not be redirected to any contact again. You've cut off all. So to advise you and to be safe out there, at least in a week try and do this, because you don't know where you will leave your phone, maybe to your friends or your loved one, either your guy or your girl. So she will fidget your phone, enter and do this without you noticing. So by the time you realize, whenever you have a call and you are not around, it will redirect to her and she will just get you up. I'm still your boy Habib Educate. I hope this video is educative. Kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Guys, the channel is not growing at all. Please support and help grow the channel. Alright, I leave you in peace. Salam.